All right, guys, I just poured some olive oil. I have some butter in there. So now I'm going to sprinkle some of Chef Jojo's spice. And this is the seafood one. So you basically want to coat the seafood with it. And what I like to do when it's crab legs, to like the end, like those little joint, I like to stuff it with butter and the spice. I have a little bit of onion, that's butter, thyme, and this is lemon. So I love my lobster to have good flavor. So that's why when you crack it open, you can go inside in here and put some butter in, the butter and the spice. You could melt the butter, but you can also do it this way. You could melt the butter and like coat it with it, which is what I'm going to, I'm not going to melt it, but then with this, I'm going on the ends like this and seal it. And it will take all the flavor from the spices inside the crab legs. It will absorb the flavors. And you don't need to add a lot. This has no MSG, all natural ingredients. It smells delicious and everything will taste so good. Nice. So now I'm going to cover it up with some aluminum foil and let it cook for about 10 minutes because crab legs are already pre-cooked. So the only thing that would need extra time to cook is the lobster, but lobster you don't want it once you add some butter to add moisture, you know, because if not, if you don't put butter, it's gonna be dry. Butter or olive oil, and then so this is it. Now I'm going to, you can let it marinate for 10-15 minutes, or you can just put it in the oven.